All right, so here we go. It is February 19th. And it's my wife's birthday. Happy birthday, baby. And a couple weeks ago, when I looked in this hive to make sure they had stores on it was a nice 50 plus day, they're really down to about 2 frames. So I want to condense it down, put it into a nuke, and give them a chance, because if it's just 2 frames, they're not going to do anything. Or at least they're struggling. They're not even in the top box. So I want to eliminate that and condense them down so we can make it a little more manageable for them. So that's where we're at today. That's what I'm doing today. Gonna cut the, it's gonna be probably 60 degrees today. So cut the tar paper so I can probably use it again on the nukes. Not sure if I'm going to make it a 5. Not sure if this is going to be a 5 frame nuke or if I'm going to make it a 10. I know there's a lot of stores in there, so let's take a look. See what we can do. Everything I need. This is probably by far the best spot for wintering. Got the house behind me. The only thing that stinks about it is I can't get in here and work. It's hard to work. So I don't know if you can see, but this is what we got. I'm gonna put them in the nuke. I'm gonna see where we're at. And I kind of wanted to get out here before they broke cluster, so I can keep it easier. I also want to see what they're doing. Whew. Okay, here we go. Got mold on the top, but it's not where the bees are, so the moisture board did its job. That was pretty cool. Take that. Patty. They're not even. Oh, there's a few around here. Might have been too late. Put all this right back in. I gotta say, it's crazy how warm it is right here. I mean, got a light shirt on and it's already getting hot. Okay, so that's my shim. Where are you gonna put it? Right there. Alright, so this alright, so that's their food. Put you down here. It's gonna be awesome. They're gonna start flying crazy. Figured today's the perfect day to do this, so I don't have to worry about chilling the brood. The thing is, I didn't think about it. Can't reach my handles. Can't reach my handles. Okay, so there's my cluster right there. Very small. Like I said, I just want to get them out into something more manageable, condense them down. You guys dead or alive? I don't even know if they're still alive. I mean, I see bees, a little bit of honey right there. Okay, here we go. I get into the cluster and see what we got. Oh, these girls look like they're dead. They look like they're dead. So the cluster moved over. I think the cluster's right here in these two frames. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not. But not many bees in this thing, fortunately. So I'm gonna break it, see if this is even worth doing. There's my queen right there. I got a queen. I'm gonna make this quick. I got a queen. She's right there. I don't know if you can see it on the screen. Little faded white dot. She looks great. I'm looking for eggs or some sort of form of brood. Where did she go? Okay, well, this isn't gonna, I'm not gonna do this very long. Here we go. I got a queen. And let's see what we got on this side. So that's my cluster of bees right there. That's it. That's all I got. And that's it. So they're only gonna be a 5-frame nuke. She's not laying, but not quite sure what to do here. Okay, so that's it. I mean, I should have done this in the spring. These bees, I'm pretty sure are dead, but I've seen them come alive. That was their cluster before. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna make this quick. This is gonna be painless, hopefully for my girls. They never moved up, which is weird. And this frame weighs a ton. Look at the honey on this. So it's so fat. It's so fat. It's having a hard time getting in the nuke. Here's another good frame of honey. I mean, they never even went up. They had all these stores up top and they never moved up. So I'm putting honey on both sides. And the warmest side will be this side. So let's Put one more honey. This is the morning sun side. I mean, look at this. This is insane how much honey is in this hive. Look at that. So, I'm gonna make my girls honey bound. Bulging with honey. I can't even get that frame in there. It's so jam-packed with honey. Look how fat that thing is. So, let's see. I'm gonna put this one. It's a little skinnier, and she'll have a little bit of room to lay. So, this is it. The girl's going right here. That's all I want to do. I'm going to wrap them later on today. That's it. Small little cluster. Girls are ready to go. That's all I want to do. So. I can't believe how much honey is in this box. Okay, so this is going over here. Goes right here. Okay, so that's it right there. We got a queen. That's all I care about. A queen and a cluster. They're small enough now. They got plenty of honey. And I'm going to give them a pollen patty. So when they're ready, they're ready. Super thins. Super thin. Let's see here. I know, girls. I know. I'm trying, but you know what? This is the best day for you, girls, and this is the best thing for you. Is to be. Bees are flying in my candy box here. My small little candy box. Huh. Going after the good stuff, aren't you, ladies? That's right, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Alright, I want to get you. I know you got plenty of food, but I want to get you a little extra just in case you guys don't want to move. Which I don't blame you for not moving. A couple candies, small edges. Is that all I got for skinny stuff? Note to self, don't make Fonda too fat. Alright, that's all I'm going to do to you, ladies, for the day. Today. Still too fat. What is my hit? Haha. Yes. No. Which one's the... What's going on? Still too fat. Damn it. Just want to crush it. Okay, let me check that. There we go. That's it. All right, girls. Oh, that's awesome. Good news. I'll take it. Good news. Good news. Get out of here, ladies. All right. So I got some work ahead of me. So that's it. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna take one of this wrappers off. It's your new home, ladies. Good news. Finally some good news for the summer. Happy birthday, baby.